If you want to take a break from Facebook without permanently deleting your account, you can temporarily deactivate it. This hides your profile, post, and timeline from other people. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. And here's how to deactivate your Facebook account. Go ahead, open your Facebook application on your mobile device, tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now, open the Account Center. From this page, scroll down, go to Personal Details, then go to Account Ownership and Control, tap on Deactivation or Deletion, select your Facebook account, and you'll get two different options of Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Now go ahead, tap on Deactivate Account, and tap on Continue again. Now you need to scroll down, tap on Continue again, follow the on-screen instructions, and you need to enter the correct one with your password of your Facebook account. And your account will be temporarily deactivated. Your profile, timeline, and post will be hidden from others. If you want to reactivate your account, just log in with your email or phone number and password, and your profile and post will be restored. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.